What is up, y'all? It's to the Toucan Sam, your favorite sergeant. Yeah, hear me? We back with another video. Today's video is going to be how to make Commandants list. How to get on that Commandants list. Alright, y'all. Before we get into the details exactly, let me tell y'all, if you all want to impress your SGLs and not be a kiss ass, but show your potential or just show what you know early on, you can do 3 things, you guys. So number 1, have everything on your packing list. If you want to make Commandant's list, have everything on your packing list. 2, if you want to impress your SGLs, know the Soldier's Creed. If you really want to impress your SGLs, know the NCO Creed already. Have it memorized, down pat right there. That is how you're going to become class leader. Off bat, know that. Number 4, know the Army song. Y'all know the Army song, Soldier's Creed, and the NCO Creed. Also know how to march your squad. Like if they ask for volunteers, if you want to volunteer and show them what you know early on, you can volunteer, march the squad from here to there. Okay, but let's get right into the video, you guys. So Commandant's list. To make Commandant's list, you just have the highest grade percentage in your class. Top 20% of your class. So if you got some dumbasses in your class, it's a pretty high chance that you will make Commandant's list. It was really competitive in our class. I believe that we had a distinguished honor grad, maybe 2, and probably like 6 other people for Commandant's list. So that was really good. Our SGLs held us to a higher standard. Okay, so top 20% of your grades. To make a 90% on your assignments. It's about 4 or 5 assignments. I think it's four things that you really have to get a 90% or better on that actually counts towards your GPA. I believe that was your informative essay, your public speaking, DNC and PRT. You have to pass those. And maybe CIT. I think those are the 5 things. But if you want to make distinguished honor grad, don't fail anything, because even if it's not that list, you don't want to fail anything. You can't fail anything to make Commandant's list. Also, you have to have no negative counselings, have no zeros on your exams, no failures on any exams, any test, any quiz, any essay, and maintain that 90% average across the board. If you do that, you make Commandant's list. Y'all, when I went, the ACFT was not in full effect, so it was still a diagnostic. So you did not have to pass in order to pass BLC. But guess what? You should want to pass that. You should already be physically fit. They're sending you to BLC. So once you do that diagnostic, it's probably in effect right now, but once you do that test, just make sure you pass your PT. Make sure you pass your PT. 90%. Score on everything. No negative counseling, y'all. It is pretty simple here. So Commandant's list, you can take that back to your unit. It would give you 20 promotional points right off bat. So that's good. If you want to impress the board, yourself, your unit back at home. But it is very helpful when it comes down to going to the board when you want to take the next step in your Army career and become a staff sergeant, you know? And if you make distinguished honor grad, which is, you damn near need a 4.0 for that. So distinguished honor grad, that's 40 points. So y'all do y'all best. Show y'all SGLs in your unit that sent you that you want to be there. Take initiative. Show that you actually care. Get Commandant's list. It's not that hard, y'all. It's really not that hard. So let's wrap it up, and I'ma just go over and recap what you need. Y'all ready? Pass everything. Pack everything on that packing list. Don't not pack anything. Pack it all. You may not use it. Pack it all. That's a point. From day one, that's a point. Know your NCO Creed. That's not end all be all if you don't know it once you come there, but it would get you ahead of the game, you know? Put you in front of everybody else. Drill and ceremony, PRT, y'all study y'all, PRT, we did like 6 sections of the PRT. Not just the preparation drill. You did the recovery drills, hip stability, shoulder stability, all of that. That's what we did, y'all. The whole thing, memorize it. I think I covered everything, y'all. So that is how y'all are going to pass BLC, y'all. Y'all are sergeants. Y'all gonna be great sergeants, and y'all are going to get those 20 extra points to put on your ERB. And y'all can go into the y'all Army career with having 20 points from BLC for making Commandants list, and that's gonna look very impressive, you all. But if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. You all, I need 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there to 1,000, but I'm not quite there. I need a few hundred left. I need 1,000 subscribers. So for more videos, stay tuned. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. If y'all like my content, if this was helpful, give us a thumbs up or subscribe.